Your income matters, but your mindset decides what happens to that income. In this video, we will rewire how you think about money so your daily choices quietly build wealth. Grab a marker, because small mental shifts can change your entire financial path. First principle: money is a tool, not a measure of worth. Tools amplify skill and intention. If your beliefs are unhelpful, the best tools backfire. If your beliefs are aligned, even simple tools produce strong results over time. Common myths keep people stuck. Myth 1, budgeting equals deprivation. Myth 2, you need big income to start. Myth 3, wealth comes from one lucky bet. Replace myths with systems that work on average, not miracles that rarely happen. Your brain chases quick rewards and discounts the future. That is present bias. It is not a character flaw, it is wiring. Our goal is to make future-friendly choices feel immediate, rewarding, and easy, so your brain says yes. We also filter information through confirmation bias and follow the crowd through social proof. That means you will naturally see what matches your beliefs and copy what peers do. Knowing this lets you design guardrails before emotions run the show. Scarcity mindset says there is never enough, so you grab quick hits and delay saving. Growth mindset says skills and systems create enough, so you invest steadily. Let us shift from scarcity loops to growth loops and make momentum automatic. Identity drives behavior. Instead of "I am bad with money," try "I'm a learner and investor." Identities stick and habits follow. You do not need permission, just a first action that proves the new story true today. Use the habit loop. Cue triggers routine. Routine gives reward. If scrolling deals is your cue, swap the routine. Open your banking app and move $5 to savings. Reward yourself with a tiny win checkmark to lock the loop. Automate the good routine. Set an automatic transfer the day you get paid. Start small so it sticks. Automation turns good intentions into consistent behavior, even when you are busy or tempted. Systems save you from future you. Pay yourself first means savings and investing get paid before bills and spending, not after. You can always adjust later, but starting strong nudges everything else to fit. Think of it as future rent you owe to your goals. Set specific goals and implementation intentions. Example: if it is Friday at lunch, then I move $20 to my emergency fund. Mental contrasting helps too. Picture the goal and the obstacles so your plan defeats them in advance. Meet your future self. Visualizing that person makes long-term choices feel present. Imagine lower stress, options at work, and travel you actually paid for. When you move money to savings today, you are sending a gift directly to that future you. Spend on what you truly value and cut what you do not. Map purchases on a joy versus cost grid. Keep high joy, reduce low joy recurring expenses. Your budget becomes a values map, not a punishment chart. Use a flexible budget. Think buckets like essentials, goals, and fun. Adjust dials as income or priorities change. When a budget flexes, you stick with it longer because it bends during surprises instead of breaking. Design helpful friction. Put bills on a separate account so spending money stays clean. Hide credit card numbers from autofill. Make saving one tap, spending two taps. Shape the path so the easy thing is the right thing. Reduce temptations. Unsubscribe from promo emails, remove saved cards from shopping sites, and use a 24-hour rule for non-essential purchases. A short pause short-circuits impulse and lets your plan speak up. Beware anchoring. A high original price can make a discount look irresistible, even if you do not need it. Reframe by asking value at this price today. Compare totals, like monthly versus yearly, to see the real cost clearly. Avoid the sunk cost trap. Money spent is tuition, not a chain. If a subscription or hobby no longer serves you, cancel it without guilt. Free resources for what works now, not what used to make sense. Loss aversion makes dips feel twice as painful as gains feel good. Decide rules when calm. Example: invest monthly, hold a diversified index, rebalance yearly, no panic selling. When volatility comes, follow your checklist, not your fear. Keep investing simple. Broad market index funds, low fees, and time in the market. Diversification means you do not need to pick winners. Let compounding do the heavy lifting while you focus on earning and saving consistently. Dollar cost averaging spreads your buys over time. Prices bounce, but your steady contributions smooth the ride. The goal is not perfect timing. It is reliable participation, month after month, season after season. An emergency fund is a confidence fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of essentials. Start 1,000 as a fast first milestone. Cash buys time to think clearly and keeps you from debt when surprises happen. Choose a debt strategy you can stick with. Snowball pays smallest balance first for momentum. Avalanche pays highest interest first for speed. You can even combine a small snowball for motivation, then avalanche the rest. Talk about money with someone you trust. Share goals, timelines, and rules for spending and saving. Use simple scripts like I am practicing a 24-hour rule or I am prioritizing my emergency fund this month. Accountability strengthens identity. Score what matters. Track net worth, savings rate, debt payoff, and a few habits like weekly money date. Visible scoreboards change behavior because progress becomes obvious. Build a dashboard you will actually check. Celebrate tiny wins. Every automatic transfer, every canceled wasteful subscription, every week you stayed on plan deserves a positive tick. Small celebrations produce dopamine that keeps you going without overspending on rewards. When you slip, treat it as data, not drama. Ask what was the cue, what friction failed, and what easy adjustment helps next time. Then, reopen the plan and make one small change immediately. Design your environment to match your plan. Use labeled jars or digital buckets for spending categories. Move money on payday, not later. Clear labels reduce decisions in the moment and guide behavior automatically. Schedule a weekly money date, 10 to 20 minutes. Review transactions, move money, peek at goals, and plan next week's temptations. Make it pleasant with tea or music so your brain associates money time with calm and control. Remember compounding. Results come slowly, then suddenly. The graph is flat for a while before it curves upward. Your job is to stay invested and consistent long enough to reach the steep part of the curve. 5-minute actions today. Set a small auto transfer. Rename a savings account Future Me Fund. Unfollow one brand that triggers spending. Put your money date on the calendar. Short, doable moves start the identity flywheel. Money follows mindset, systems, and time. Shift beliefs, design habits, automate transfers, and invest simply. Celebrate small wins and learn from slips. Start now, keep going, and let compounding do the heavy lifting. Your future self will thank you.